Hey everybody, I have a new unboxing today. This is the Whitestone dome glass. It's a screen protector for the LG G7. So, first of all, I'm trying a new mic setup. So if the sound is really weird, or if I'm too loud or too muffled or too whatever, apologies, please bear with me. I'm still working on finding like the best setup for me. So, Whitestone dome. If you have been looking for tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S8 or S9 or Note 8, you probably have heard of this brand, because they are a very popular brand. What they did is they are one of the few companies to come up with a hard tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy S8, S9 that actually covers the entire screen. So let me grab my S8 really quick to show you. So the Galaxy phones have notoriously been hard to get a tempered glass screen protector for because it has a curved screen. So when the screen is curved, a lot of times a tempered glass, the ones you buy off Amazon or at Best Buy for like 10-15 bucks, it doesn't work because they only have adhesive around the edges of the glass. That means the middle has no adhesive, so when you put it on, it's a little bit the middle part floats up a little bit, so you lose touch sensitivity. And when you take it out to the sun, there are like these little dots that you can see visibly. It's called dot matrix. Just the fact that the screen curves makes it very tough for tempered glass companies to put a screen with all adhesive on it. Whitestone is one of the few companies to figure out how. So what they do is they use a very complicated setup really that requires you to put adhesive all over the screen and then use this kind of UV kind of light to dry the adhesive immediately, so then it won't damage the screen later. It's just a different type of adhesive that they use. So I actually reviewed the one for the Galaxy, I think Note 8 or S8 a couple months back, like half a year ago, and I liked it a lot. I had a lot of trouble installing it though, so hopefully this one will go a lot easier. So no pricing officially yet for the Whitestone dome, but the last one for the S8 was sold for 50 bucks US. So it was a little bit on the pricey side, but it's worth it if you wanted tempered glass protection for the Galaxy S8 or S9. So you see that you do get a lot for your money. This is a really complicated packaging, including like a rack and like all these cloth and stickers, adhesive, glue, and then also the UV light right here. So this is like crazy UV light that you're gonna put over the phone to dry. So I'm gonna set this up really quick. I'm gonna get some paper towel because it's gonna get really messy with all the adhesive. Okay, I ran out of paper towel, so I'll just use a real towel. Hope the girlfriend doesn't get mad because this is not supposed to be for adhesives and stuff. So you gotta take out everything from the tray first because you're gonna use this tray to align the glass onto everything. So one of the complaints I have is you do only get one protector, and this is a really complicated setup that you know, if you're not careful, you could mess up the situation, and if you mess it up, it's hard to reapply. So I think, you know, considering you're paying 50 bucks, they should give you an extra glass just so you can have 2 tries at it. So the first thing you want to do is clean the phone. They give you everything you need here. They give you alcohol wipes. So I'm gonna speed up this part because, you know, ain't nobody want to watch me like clean my phone for 2 minutes straight. Okay, so I just used alcohol wipe to wipe grease, oil, and I use this to dry, and I use a sticker to stick, you know, do a bunch of sticky stuff to remove any stray hair or dust. So now you want to put the phone, the tray tells you very clearly the speaker goes here. So you want to put the phone down like this onto the speaker, and then there are these stickers here. So the reason I know how to do this is because I already read through the instructions, and there's a YouTube video which I'll link to show you. But I suggest if you're buying this for the first time, make sure you read through everything and watch the video, because this is a quite complicated setup, and again, if you mess up, it's hard to recover, so you might just lose 50 bucks if you mess up. So you have to put the sticker here to cover up the speaker slot. I don't know why, because this phone is IP68 water resistant, so why do I need to protect it against adhesive? But anyway, so the next thing you have to do is put this alignment trays up, and then they'll tell you right here, it says bottom right here. So that means you go on the bottom like so. And then you have these two kind of foamy things that you have to insert here, I think, to block off the adhesive from getting it all over your table. So after that, you're gonna have to put this little thing right here. What this does is it props up the screen protector until it's ready, time for you to lift it. So then now you put the final step of the tray, which is this, for the adhesive. And then what you do is then you take the adhesive bottle, you unscrew the blue top first. You stick the blue into here, and then you unscrew the other end so adhesive can flow out. So you see that the adhesive is falling down into like a little scoop. So once the adhesive is all done, pick it up. And there might be adhesive left in this bottle that will spill, so you want to immediately put it into a tray or dump it into the trash can. Don't just leave it onto the table. So now you take out the tempered glass protector. So there's only one side to peel. So you peel off the tape. And then now this one has a notch and there's a cutout, so it's very obvious which side goes where. So you just have to put this side down like this, just against the rack, and then just let it drop. You see, because there's a little clip right here propping up the screen protector, is actually the screen protector is not touching the adhesive yet. So what you want to do now at this point is you want to, this is tricky, so pay attention here and you have to make sure you know what to do here. So you have to tilt the tray to let this adhesive get to the middle. Once it gets to the middle, then you pull this part. So then the point is to let this part of this temp protector touch the adhesive right when this gets to the middle. So you see right now the adhesive is a little bit above. So you want to tilt the tray. Now it's getting to the middle. Now once it's in the middle, you take it out and then you let it kind of, it should spread evenly. So this part is really tricky, and when I did this on the Galaxy Note 8, it took me like 3 tries. So luckily, Whitestone was kind enough to send me like 4 boxes of that last time, so I got it right on like the 4th and last try. So you see, it is spreading exactly. So that's the key. You have to basically tilt the box, let it hit the middle. Right when it hit the middle, then pull that tab. Oh, so you think we done? We ain't done, man. We're only halfway there. So this is where the UV light comes in. That's what makes this thing special. So this UV light requires USB power. There's a cable included. So you're gonna have to use a charger or a portable battery. I'm gonna use a portable battery here. So you put this over the tray like so. So you power it on. Like this. So you power and then you leave it like this for 15 seconds. So right now this UV ray it's basically drying the adhesive, making sure that it stays in place. So in about 15 seconds, that's about 15 seconds, then you move it up and then now you do it this end. So you see, this is pretty crazy, right? This setup. Okay, so that's about 15 seconds, and you can stop, you can take it out. We ain't done yet, there's one more step. Take the tray apart, take the phone out of the tray, including removing the sticker for some reason. Oh, like so. Oh no, did I make a mistake? I think I might have supposed to remove the sticker down there before I put the adhesive, because the sticker is now completely stuck on it. You see, everything else went on perfectly, but I messed up because I didn't remove the sticker. Okay, so I managed to fix the problem. So I had to take off the glass, wipe it down, dry it, and then reinstall it again. So luckily they do give you 2 bottles of adhesive, so you are able to reinstall it again if you mess up. So now the second time, I didn't put that damn sticker on. So now as you can see, there is no bubble or kind of any imperfections. This is almost like a flawless installation. So check it out. I went outside earlier and it looked good outside too. There was none of that dot matrix thing. Screen sensitivity is perfect. I'm able to type everything fast. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P without any problems. everything's going smoothly. And I really like that if you look from the edges, the screen doesn't protrude over the phone that much. It's a pretty thin glass that stays on, and then it doesn't stick out. There isn't sharp edges. So when you're rolling the phone like this in your hand, you don't feel the edges of the screen protector. It does not go above the phone that much. But yet at the same time, you clearly see there's a glass on it, so it offers protection, state of mind at least for me. If I've actually dropped a key, my set of keys on top of this, or even just have the phone in the same pocket as my keys, I'll know that I won't damage the screen. So this is a perfect installation. So this is the Whitestone Dome. It's really complicated to set up, and like you saw in the video, very easily to make mistakes. But if you follow instructions very, very carefully, and you have to dedicate at least like 30 minutes to setting this up. It's not something you can just do in like 5-10 minutes. So you will get a flawless installation, flawless tempered glass protector. Albeit a little bit expensive, $50, I think. I don't have official pricing yet. So thanks for watching.